Hi, I'm going to show you how to trade implied volatility spreads through FIST. Login, go to algorithm, login. You have to select IV spread algo. Password. This will be the default password which you will be entering while logging into FIST. Press login. Index limit will appear. You can set the index limit, lower limit as -10, upper limit as 10 and press OK. Now IV spread entry and IV spread or rules will be enabled. This is my IV spread rule box. I can place it here. To make any IV spread entry, the shortcut key is Shift F3 and Shift F4. By pressing Shift F3, this window appears, IV spread entry. By default, 6200 put and 6250 put has been selected. I'll make it 100 point spreads, that is trading between 6200 put and 6300 put. The order is buying 6200 put and selling 6300 put. The differential logic for this particular strategy is volatility difference or Vega difference, depending upon me what I want to select. I have selected Vega ratio here. I have an option to select delta ratio also or user defined ratio also. Since if I want to make a spread which is Vega neutral and delta neutral, then I have to select Vega ratio as the parameter. For entering any price, like supposingly I want to buy, the market value of the spread is around -2.4. If I want to buy the spread at -2, I have to make entry -2 here. Total quantity and order quantity. Supposingly I want to make a 5000 total quantity. The order quantity is 250. I have to select either Pro or Client. Presently Pro has been selected. For future hedge, there are two options. Either you can hedge the delta, net delta of the strategy through future, or you can hedge the net delta of strategy through synthetic option. If I want to hedge the net delta of strategy of synthetic option, then I will select 6600 as strike price because it is nearest to the current market price. Presently, I am hedging through futures. This is bid level of options. I can change the bid level of options or for price as well as quantity depending upon the liquidity of the market. Supposingly the market is very illiquid, then I'll increase the depth level, and supposingly if the market is very much liquid, then I will keep the depth level as 1 and 1. For future hedge also the same parameter can be done. I can increase the depth level or keep it 1. I can change the parameter for hedging for price as well as quantity. To enter both the rules at a time, like buying this 6200 and 6300 spread and selling 62 and 6300 spread, I have to click on this particular box so that both the rules appear. Apply differential logic is 0.05. I am keeping 0.05 as apply differential logic so that my rule will start quoting only within the range of 2 and -2 and -2.5. It is not going to quote if the price is going around -2.5. This is modify counter, which shows the amount of time it should take to hedge my another option. Threshold percentage has been selected as 100. To enter this rule, I will press add. Supposingly, while entering this rule, I can check what has come in the rule box. In rule box, two things have come. Hedge script is 6200 put, quote script as 6300 put, and the buying rules are 6200 put buy, 6300 put sell, 6200 put sell and 6300 put buy. So both the rules have come in this rule box. Future expiry is 27 March 2014, differential logic is vol, value what I have entered, market value is going on right now, what market value is going on right now, order quantity, total quantity, remaining quantity, order number, average number. These are the columns which you can see in the rule box. Supposingly I want to make only few rules, I want to see only few rules in my rule box. So I will uncheck those which I don't want to see while trading. So in my selected parameters, I will be seeing value, market value, order entry, total quantity, traded quantity, remaining quantity, average rate at which the entire quantity has been traded, and profit and loss rule wise. For selection of this rule, you just have to press right. You have to right click on this column in this rule box, in this column bar, and then you can select or unselect the rules. So if I want to trade 5,000 or 10,000 quantity at 2.5, just to show you the orders, I have to press F4 key. By pressing the F4 key, the rule is not quoting because the apply difference logic is at 0.05. So I'm just to show you the trade, I'm making the my orders at minus 2.6. As you can see, the entire trading has been done and my order was put at minus 2.6 and it has actually done a better order at minus 2.5 or minus 2.59. The average rate at which the trade has been done is minus 2.57, and it also shows the PNL rule wise. I am trading the trade backup by pressing F9 key and uploading the same in Volhedge. As you can see, this is a delta neutral spread and a vega neutral spread. This is the way you can make an IV spread by making it delta neutral and vega neutral through FIST. Supposingly, I want to add multiple rules at a time. So what I'll do is I'll press Shift F3, select 6200 put, 6300 put as my sell strike. For multiple match, I will add multiple match up to 5. So what it will do is it will add the rules of 6200 by 6300. It will add the pairs of 62 63, 63 64, 64 65, 65 66 and 66 67, and also add the square of rules. By pressing this add button, you can see the following rules comes: 62 63, 63 64 square of, 63 64, 63 64, 64 65, 65 66, 66 67 and 66 67. Buy as well as sell rules. The differential logic is Vega, which has been selected. If I want to convert the same into vol, I can just select the rule and press vol difference. Now this has gone into vol. For this same thing, for the next rule also I can do the same thing. To start all the rules at a time, I have to check all the rules and press start all button or stop all button. To reset the quantities, I have to reset the quantities, I have to select the rules and press reset button. After pressing, since these are the traded quantities which has come, on pressing the reset button, the entire traded quantity and total quantity goes away. This was about IV algo through trading through futures. If I want to select IV spreads or trade IV spreads through synthetic, I have to select 6200 put, 60 for supposingly I want to trade 62 and 63 ka spread, 6200 put and 6300 put ka spread. So I will select these two spreads. I will select volatility difference as my difference logic. I will select synthetic option since I want to make a since I want to make the delta hedging through 6600 strike. I'll press add key, I'll press the square of trade, and I will press the apply difference I've also selected the square of trade so that both the rules comes for entering as well as exiting the trade. So as you can see in this window, 62-63 spread has been selected with volatility difference, and the delta hedging will be done through 6600 strike. To show you how to trade, to show you what will be appearing on 62-63 spread, to show you what will be appearing in 62-63 spread while hedging with synthetic options, I'm pressing F4 key to start my rule. On pressing F4 key, it has traded all the quantity and the hedging has been done through 6600 synthetic. For, as you can see, it has made a delta neutral and vega neutral spread. This is vega neutral. The delta is out because Nifty has moved down, and instead of hedging through futures, it has selected 6600 put, and it has bought 6600 put and it has sold 6600 call. So this was about IV spread orders. Thank you.